Hi and welcome back. Today we're doing the iPhone setup together. Let's start by turning on the device. The power on button is on the right and you just press it until the Apple logo goes on. Hello, the iPhone welcomes us. So we have to swipe up to get started. Now I will need to set my language, which is English, and then I will select my country. And then I can choose my appearance. Do I want the size of the text and icons at the default ratio, at medium size or large size? I will leave it at default. Click continue. Now I want to set it up without another device. Now it shows me the languages that are commonly used in my region and the keyboards. I will customize these settings. I will delete the languages that I don't need. Click continue. And then I select my keyboards. I prefer the Swiss German keyboard as well as the emoji keyboard. I will click continue. Here I will have to choose a Wi-Fi network and then enter the password of this Wi-Fi network. And then it will activate the iPhone. Now it seems that there's a software update already for the iPhone, so I will update it now. I agree. And then it downloads the software update and installs it. After the firmware update, it welcomes us again and we will swipe up again. I will set the appearance again to default. I will set it up without another device. I will customize my settings again. And I click continue to accept the data and privacy. I will set the iPhone up for myself. Now I will set up the Face ID by clicking continue. And then I will need to position my face in the camera frame and then move my head in a circle to show all the angles of my face. I will quickly do that. So I set up the normal Face ID. Now I can say if I want the Face ID to work with a mask. Luckily we don't need to wear masks anymore, so I will not use Face ID with a mask. Face ID is set up. Continue. Now I will need to create an iPhone passcode, which can consist of up to 6 digits. And I will set it up as a new iPhone, so I will not transfer anything. But you could use an iCloud backup, another phone, a Mac or PC, as well as an Android device to transfer your apps and data. So I will need to enter my Apple ID, or I can create an Apple ID. I already have one, so I will enter it quickly. Probably you will have to enter a verification code that was sent to your other devices. I will do that quickly. So it recognized me and I can sign in, agree to the terms and conditions. I can set my iPhone to update automatically. I will click continue. And I will enable the location services so that I can use GPS or maps. I will set up my mobile service later. And I will set up Apple Pay later. I will accept the screen time report. And I will not share my iPhone analytics. And I will use the auto theme so that it decides automatically whether to use the light or dark theme. I will click continue. It shows me where to toggle the silent mode, continue. Now it explains to me the new action button. I will not customize it right now. The iPhone helps me with an emergency. I will click continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. So there it is, my new iPhone. It already has got the most basic apps pre-installed. And all other settings can be customized in the Settings app. You probably want to insert a SIM card. In the European countries, most of the iPhones still have a SIM slot. You can open it here. And then I will continue to set up the apps that I want to use. I can install the apps from the App Store. I don't want personalized ads, and I will allow the location while I'm using the app. So here I can find apps as well as games. So this is it, guys. We are done with the first time setup of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed that video and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.